guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Yvonne, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you 5 lazy hairstyles that I love to do when I have no idea what to do with my hair, which is actually quite often. My hair is naturally wavy and curly in some spots. Right now it is brushed out, which is why it looks like that. So when I usually brush out my hair, I'm left with like a big oomph, you know, like it's very poofy. Right now I have been kind of like just finger combing it to kind of keep it down, and it's just kind of randomly split. But when that happens, I just like to do like super easy hairstyles that don't require a lot of time or heat in that case, especially if you're late or just don't want to spend too much time on your hair. So the first one I wanted to show you, I guess before I get started to the hair accessories, I'm going to be showing you guys some of the little things I have here that I use when I do my hair. Not all the time, it's just when for these styles in particular. And I have the Kristen S hair detangler. Absolutely love this one, and I also use this one quite often actually, and this is the Way Rose hair and body oil. I love to use this one. And then I also love this one. This is the Playa New Day Mist, and it's a 3-in-1 style refresher. And it just like smells really good. It also works as like a hair perfume, especially for those like in between wash days. This one's really good. It smells absolutely delicious. And so I also have a white tooth comb, which is also from Kristen S. This little hair clip, and this is a metal hair clip that I actually picked up at Walgreens for like $8. And then I have a little pearl pin like hair clip, and then I do have these hair clips right here, or hair forks, and these are also from Kristen S. These I picked up at Target. And then, you know, just your usual hair ties and bobby pins, and a little hair, I can't remember what those called, but I also have one of these, and then a little hair scarf and some hair gel. So the first style I'm going to show you, I'm just going to split my hair down the middle, and if you see me looking to the side, I'm looking at my little screen or the mirror that's right behind it. So I'm just going to like smooth it out, and it's going to be a bun, just a simple bun, and just going to smooth it up. And I like to just take like these little hair pieces, because I do have these like little money pieces. I'm just gonna take them out, and I usually put my hair back first and then I section them out. Okay, so they're sectioned out somewhat evenly. Okay, then I just take my hair and comb it so I don't have any weird bumps. I'm just gonna take a hair tie, and I'm gonna just turn to my side. Okay, like that. I do have layers in my hair, so sometimes they like to stick out, but I'm gonna take whatever is left down here and put my hair all the way through, just like halfway, so I can get this little bun. And then whatever's left down here, I'm just gonna take it and wrap it around. And with bobby pins, I'm going to secure that hair. This is the little hair pieces, and it is a little messy bun. And this is what it looks like. And then I like to put this little pearl bobby pin thing right above it, like that, just to make it look, just to add a little detail into the bun, because it is a messy bun. And sometimes, I don't know about your hair, but my hair likes to not stay in place, so I have to secure this a few times throughout the day. If not, I have to put in more bobby pins because my hair just doesn't like to stay in place. But this is what I like to do, just a little messy bun, add a little hair piece at the back, and then these little pieces right here. And I do like to add some hair gel, and I just take the smallest amount and add it onto like my part. And then I'll spray this. Even if I don't need it, I'll spray it on just for, you know, so I can, some hair perfume. So that's one, and I call it just kind of like a little sophisticated messy bun. That's what I call it. So now let's go on to the second bun. So for the second hairstyle I'm gonna do, it's also a low bun, but I'm gonna be using these hair forks, and these are from Kristen S, and I picked these up from Target for like $14, I believe, and they do have like different shades. This is the rose gold. They also have a gold version, I believe. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna take out these hair pieces, but you totally can, and I'm just going to grab it like that in a low bun and twist and twist, and then just kind of start wrapping it kind of like into almost like a little donut bun in a way. And I just kind of tuck in the ends of, and I'm gonna take one hair bun. And for me, I struggled to learn how to use these, and even now I still struggle because I kept putting it in and it would fall out. So so watch a lot of tutorials on how to like make these stay in place. They're very cute, but they can be a struggle to use. So what I do, I just kind of pin it on like the edge, and then like take it upside down like that, and then I pin it, and then I just kind of lift it, and then just kind of like push it down a little, and then same thing with the other one, and then I'm just gonna put it like diagonally from the other one so I can have like extra support. And so this is what it looks like. And so this is what the bun looks like. It is in place. You can leave it like this. You can add something else, but I personally like to have it like this because it's like a very lazy bun. And it doesn't securely, like, you know, hold your hair tight in place, which is why you see like these little pieces. But I don't mind it because, you know, every day for me actually is a lazy hair day, in other words. So I like it like this, and then I'll just spray some hairspray on my hair, and then I'll try not to touch it because, like I said, my hair does not like to stay in place. So then I'll just have it like this, and that's it. So that's the second lazy hairstyle that I love. So moving on to the next one. So for the third style, we're going to be using some hair clips or hair claws, whatever you call them. I want to say these are like a medium sized. Picked these up at Walgreens for like $8. I know there's bigger hair clips out there. So for this one, I just put my hair back, and then I just grab a few pieces, like they can be thick, thin, whatever you want. Just a few. Like that, and then if some fall to the front, I just kind of leave it. And this is what I do. So I just grab my hair kind of like in a low bun, and then this finger I put it like this and wrap it around, and I just kind of twist it like that. And that's what I do. So that's what it looks like. It keeps my hair in place, just like that. You can, instead of like twisting the ends into the hair itself, you can have the ends hanging out of your hair clip. But I just like it like this. It's just kind of keeps the hair out of, you know, from my neck, especially right now that it's really hot. But this is what I do. It's super simple, and then, you know, you can goes with anything pretty much. And then I just keep these little pieces. And then for this style, because it's more like lazy, I just leave my little frizzies alone. Don't do anything to them. So that was the third one, I believe. Super easy. So for the next one, it's usually a high bun. And I use these bigger hair ties, and these are for thick hair. And I don't have like really thick hair. I want to say it's more like medium-ish kind of. But either way, I like to use two of these hair ties because when I have a high bun, that's the only thing I found that keeps my bun in place. So I just grab random. And for this one, it doesn't have to be perfect. Like if you have all these little hair bumps, that's fine. Half the time I leave them. And so I just grabbed my 2 hair ties and yeah, tied my hair in place like that, all crazy. And I like to take a hair scarf and just fold it. This one I got at Walmart and it came with its own scrunchie, but I just tie it just once and that's it, and that's how it looks. And that's how I dress up my little bun. Sometimes I do put bobby pins in it first so like all these little flyaways can stay down and not cover the hair scarf. And so the last one that I have, it's gonna be using this. And so this one you can just place it like this, you know, leave some hair pieces in the middle. I feel like it gets lost in my hair and has like this little triangle thing in the middle, little knot, and just leave it like that. Or if you don't want to have your hair down, say it's like a wash day, you know, and your hair's just not in the best condition, you can just put your hair up in a bun, literally just a messy bun, just like that, and then you can just add this, just like that. Add it onto your hair, you know, and then you can just leave it like that, or you can get like just those hair bands, you know, and just kind of, it makes me look like I have a triangle head, to be honest. But yeah, that's another one. And then another one that I like to do, I know I said 5, but I'm gonna take these little tiny hair clips, or just one hair clip actually, split it down the middle, and then just grab like these little pieces, like, you know, halfways, and I just kind of twist them in the back like that, so I can kind of help my hair stay in place. And then I just add the little hair clip. And sometimes I'll take the little hair pieces in the front. If not, I'll just leave it like that. But this is another one of my go-to hairstyles. I do this one like, I want to say maybe like once or twice a week. It just depends. And then I'll either add mousse at the bottom or leave it like that. Depends on how my hair is. But yeah. Alright, so those were all the little lazy hairstyles that I like to do. I know I said I was going to do 5, but it ended up being 6. And these hairstyles can literally work for anyone, and pretty much, I want to say, not every occasion. I guess it just depends on where you're going. Like if you're going to go to work and you need something quick, one of these hairstyles might work. Say you're going to go run errands, one of these hairstyles might work. But it just depends on where you're going to go. You're going to be around the house or whatever. Obviously a bun, easy bun, I don't know. But those are the things I like to do. So I hope you found these hairstyles useful in any way, and I hope you can use some of these. Maybe you already do, but either way, I just wanted to share with you some of my little go-to hairstyles. And with that being said, please don't forget to like this video, and also please don't forget to subscribe. I would love for you to join my little YouTube familia, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!